Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Evaluate the following definite integral. Integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x into 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now we have to simplify this bracket using trigonometric formulas. Numerator, for this sin x, we can use the formula sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. For this denominator 1 plus cos x, we use the formula 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos squared a. So next step, this is 0 to pi by 2 e power x into 1 plus, for this sin x, using this formula, see the formula, left side 2a, right side half of that angle, that is a. So for this sin x, using the formula, here we have the angle x, half of that is x by 2. So 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Similarly here 1 plus cos x, half of the angle x is x by 2. So using the formula, this is 2 cos squared x by 2 into dx. So this is equal to, this denominator 2 take outside, so that is 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x into this bracket, we have plus in the numerator, so just split and write it as two terms, that is 1 by cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by cos squared x by 2 into dx. In this second term, we can cancel cos x by 2. Denominator we have cos square, so we cancel only one cos. So this is equal to half into integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x into 1 by cos squared is secant square. So this is secant squared x by 2 plus 2 into sin by cos is tan. So we get tan x by 2 into dx. Now this integration is of the form integral e power x into f dash of x plus f of x into dx. For that the formula is e power x into f of x plus c. This is the general formula without limit. So we have plus c in the formula. But in this definite integral, we have the limit, so we don't add the constant plus c. Write the formula and substitute the limits. Here we take f of x as 2 tan x by 2. And f dash is secant squared x by 2. So we can check this, f of x is 2 tan x by 2. Differentiating this, f dash of x equal to 2 into tan differentiation is secant square. Secant squared x by 2 into 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is the coefficient of x. Here cancel 2, we get f dash of x equal to secant squared x by 2. So now see this integration, this first term is f dash and this second term is f of x. So using this formula, this is equal to, we have 1 by 2 outside into, the formula is e power x into f of x. So e power x into f of x is 2 tan x by 2 and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Here this number 2 we can cancel and now substitute the limit. We have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. If we put x is equal to pi by 2, we get e power pi by 2 into tan pi by 2 divided by 2, that is pi by 4, minus, if you put lower limit 0, tan 0 is 0, so 0 into anything is 0, and this is equal to e power pi by 2 into tan pi by 4 value is 1. So the answer is e power pi by 2. Next problem, evaluate the following definite integral. Integral 1 to 2 x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. Here we have to use the partial fraction. So using partial fraction, this we can split and write it as two terms. After that we can integrate. So using partial fraction method, this term x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be taken as a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Now equating the numerator, left side numerator x equal to right side numerator term, taking LCM we get a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Now put x is equal to minus 1. So left side minus 1 equal to a into x value minus 1 plus 2 plus this term is 0 because minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 into anything 0. So this is minus 1 equal to a. Next put x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 equal to this first term is 0 because minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 into anything 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 2 equal to minus b. Cancel minus sign, 2 equal to b. Now we have a, b values. So therefore the given integration can be taken like this. Integral 1 to 2 x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. This is the question. So this can be written like this. Integral 1 to 2 a by x plus 1, a value minus 1 plus b by x plus 2, b value 2 into dx. Now we have to integrate this. We have x in the denominator. So we use the formula integral dx by x, that is equal to log of mod x. So using that formula, this is minus sign is there. So minus log of denominator. So that is mod of x plus 1 plus 2 is there in the numerator. So 2 into log of denominator, that is mod x plus 2. The limit is from 1 to 2. So this is equal to first term minus log x plus 1 plus this 2 take it to the power, that is log of mod x plus 2 square. Limit is 1 to 2. And again using log property, we write it as log of mod x plus 2 square divided by x plus 1. So this is using the property log m minus log n is log m by n. Now apply the limit. If you put upper limit 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 squared 16 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. So this is log 16 by 3 minus, substitute the lower limit 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square 9 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. So that is log 9 by 2. Again we use log m minus log n, that is equal to log m by n. So using this, this is equal to log 16 by 3 divided by 9 by 2. So this divided by 9 by 2 can be taken as multiplied by reciprocal, that is 2 by 9. So this is equal to, the final answer is log 32 by 27. Next problem. Evaluate the following definite integral. Integral minus 4 to 4 mod x plus 3 into dx. By the definition, this mod x plus 3 is equal to, it takes negative sign if x less than minus 3. It takes positive sign if x greater than or equal to minus 3. So see this, x plus 3 means x is equal to minus 3. And modulus means it should be positive. So if x is less than minus 3, we take it as minus x minus 3. Substitute and check. If you take any number less than minus 3, for example take minus 4. So minus of minus plus 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is positive. And it is x plus 3. It takes positive x plus 3 if x greater than or equal to minus 3. If you put x is equal to minus 3, we get 0. Take greater than minus 3. For example, minus 2. So if you put x is equal to minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. That is positive. So by definition, mod x plus 3 is equal to minus x minus 3 if x less than minus 3. X plus 3 if x greater than or equal to minus 3. So this given integration can be written like this. Integral minus 4 to 4 is equal to, here we split the limit minus 4 to minus 3 plus minus 3 to 4. So the given limit is minus 4 to plus 4. In between we have this number minus 3. So we split and write like this, minus 4 to minus 3 plus minus 3 to 4. And in this first limit, minus 4 to minus 3, that means this is less than minus 3. So for this mod value is minus x minus 3. So next step, for this first interval, we write minus x minus 3. And in this second interval, that is minus 3 to 4, this is greater than minus 3. So here the mod value is x plus 3. So in this second interval, we write x plus 3. Now we can integrate this very easily. Here we use the formula integral x dx equal to x squared by 2. Similarly, a is any constant, so integral a dx equal to ax. So here first term, for this x we use the formula x squared by 2. So minus x squared by 2 minus 3 into x. And the limit is from minus 4 to minus 3. Plus integrating this second term, x integration x squared by 2 plus 3 integration is 3x, and the limit is from minus 3 to 4. Now we have to substitute the limits, that is upper limit minus lower limit. First substitute this upper limit minus 3 squared is 9, so that is minus 9 by 2. Minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9. So this is upper limit for the first term, minus substitute the lower limit minus 4. Minus 4 whole squared is 16. So this is minus 16 by 2. Minus 3 into minus 4, that is plus 12. So this is first term upper limit minus lower limit. Similarly, for the second term also we have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Substituting the upper limit 4 squared 16 by 2 plus 3 into 4 12 minus substitute the lower limit minus 3 squared is 9, so 9 by 2 plus 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. So this is the second term, upper limit minus lower limit. Now this is equal to this first bracket 9 minus 9 by 2, that is 9 by 2, minus this second bracket is minus 16 by 2 is minus 8 plus 12, that is 4, plus third bracket 16 by 2 is 8, 8 plus 12 20, minus fourth bracket 9 by 2 minus 9 is minus 9 by 2, so that minus into minus plus 9 by 2. Next step, 20 minus 4 is 16, and this 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is 9. So final answer is equal to 25. Thanks for watching.